Hey everyone, if your microphone is not working on Google Meet in 2026, like people can't hear you, or your voice is not detected, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet mic issues step by step. First, open Google Meet and check microphone permissions in your browser settings. If permission is blocked, your mic will not work at all. Next, go to Google Meet settings and select the correct microphone device. Sometimes the wrong input device is chosen automatically. Now make sure your microphone is not muted. Click the mic icon to turn it back on if needed. After that, check your system sound settings. Ensure the correct input device is selected on your computer as well. Next, restart your browser or rejoin the meeting. This can fix temporary audio glitches quickly. Now, check your microphone hardware. If you are using an external mic, make sure it is properly connected. After that, close other apps like Zoom or Discord. These apps can sometimes block microphone access. Finally, update your browser or audio drivers. Outdated software can cause microphone detection problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet microphone not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your mic should start working again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes. Hey everyone.